Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn on how to check nearby friends on Facebook, and all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application, and from here all we have to do is to tap on the search icon, and we're going to search for the city or the town that we are located in. On me, I'm going to say that I'm in Nanyuki, and I can actually tap on, or let's say I tap on Nanyuki trending teens, and from here I'm going to tap on people, and here at people I'm going to see the people that are located in Nanyuki or people who live near Nanyuki. As you can see, this person works at Nanyuki, the other person works at Nanyuki but lives in Isiolo. This person works still at Nanyuki, and as you can see, he actually lives in Nanyuki. Another way to actually check nearby friend, it's easy to launch the menu bar, and we are going to search for the dating icon. But as you can see, for us, we don't have the option to find that icon since it's not located on the city that we actually live in. But in the case that it is located, you are going to be able to find nearby friends on Facebook. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.